Hey, how you doing? This Tom and this Tom's Radio Room Show, and I was just looking on Amazon for some stuff to put in my store, and I noticed two things that caught my eye, and I advise you to check them out if you're interested in either of these two items, because I don't know if the sale price will last, especially on the Satellite 750. Here, the Satellite 750 right now, and Amazon does this all the time. They will put some really cut rate prices on stuff that's normally pretty high. And let's just take a look at this. This is the Eaton Grundig Satellite 750. It's a radio that's similar to mine. Mine is a predecessor, and it's not an Eaton Grundig, it's just a Grundig. But it's the same radio. And it's $85 off right now. The price just jumped up. You can see here, I got mine in October of 2013, and I think I paid around that price. I'm not sure. Maybe a little bit lower. But then after that, it just kept going up and up and up. And it has been $350. Now, you can go back and watch my shows on this radio, but I really like this radio. So if you're interested in this radio, this would be a good time to get one. $265, $85 off. And I have it in my Amazon store, which is what you're seeing right here. The next one is not as superlative a buy, but it's still a pretty good buy. This is the Baofeng UV5R, again, a radio that I've done a lot of shows on. I really like this. Some people don't like these. And I think it's because, since it's from China, sometimes there's a good one and a bad one in the batch. And the one I got was a good one. And it has worked well. I've had it for, I don't know, 3 or 4 years. And it's now, and I think I paid $35 for mine. And it's now $25. You can't hardly go wrong, $25. And both of these are under Prime, which means you can get free shipping, and you can get it in 1 or 2 days, depending on what your order involves. Now, this one, if you have Prime, since it's over the $35 minimum, I think you can get it for 2 days maybe, or 1 day. This says if I want it Tuesday, and I order within an hour, 24 hours, and choose 1 day shipping, then I can get it because it's over the $35 minimum. So check these out. I think I saw another one. I think it was, yeah, it was this one right here. Here is the Sagen ATS-909X, another radio that I really like, did a lot of shows on it, and it is now, let me click on it, it is now on sale for $201. That's not as terrific a deal. I think I paid maybe $240 for it. So anyway, I wanted to let you know, because I don't know how long these are going to last. These sales, they sometimes are only a couple of days. But if you're interested, check it out. Make sure you check it out thoroughly so it's exactly what you want. And have a great day. Bye-bye.